Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode on this channel. I hope you had a great week. In this week's episode we're gonna paint this funky rabbit. Don't waste the time and jump straight into that intro. Back on my table, and as a first step I do my sketching. Quick as always, it doesn't look fancy, but it helps me bring my idea on paper. Let's do it. The most scary part for me is always starting with a picture and bring the first few strokes and shapes onto that plain white paper. I'm really happy how that one turned out, and I'm ready now for bringing the rabbit into the scene. So I positioned the rabbit into my scene and started painting his mask. Next step is the fur. So the ground color for my rabbit is done, and in the next step I bring with a pointy color pencil the lines and details into. So the lines are back now, and it's time for bringing highlights and details back into the figure. So, my rabbit is finished now, and now I bring the last components into the composition. I'm not quite finished yet, just a few final touches with my pen. Hey, Hey, thanks for watching, and if you liked that video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any future videos, you probably should consider subscribe. See you next week. I'm out.